Former president of humanitarian NGO Aksi, Cepat, Tanggap, or ACT, was summoned by the police's criminal investigation agency earlier today.
The Special Crime Investigation Unit is currently investigating ACT after it allegedly used public donations for commercial purposes. Ahyudin, together with his legal team, entered the lobby through the back door. He refused to be interviewed by the press.
The police's Special Crime Investigation Unit summoned Ahyudin after they found indications that ACT had been using public donation for his private businesses, as well as other unrelated organizations. As a result, the Ministry of Social Affairs froze the accounts and all activities of ACT.
Police also asked Ahyudin to present all documents, including ACT's financial and operational reports. The officials have scheduled an investigation for ACT's current resident, Ibnu Kajar.